We all took hula from Uncle George Holokai. And congratulations to Hālau O Nāpuala'ikauika'iu, placing first place with Kuwili. So we're going to share Kuwili with you. Because Uncle George Holokai this is one of his favorite mele. Kuwili. We're not going to do them as fast as Kamaʻāina did it. But we're going to share this mele that Uncle George Holokai. So Uncle George Holokai was such an amazing Kumu Hula. His love and his passion was for hula. And no matter who you were, it doesn't matter what halau we come from, we all one. We are one ohana. You can be from Kamaʻāina, from Sunny Ching. We love Sunny Ching. My family used to dance with Sunny Ching also. And you know, it doesn't matter what halau. We get kuanas, halau behind us. Yeah, no matter what, we all want ohana. One thing we all love, the passion, hula. Here we go, Kuwili. At this time, we'd like to bring out our Navahine.